You can pay for something every month for years and still never own it. Your music, your movies, your software, the car you drive, the home you rent. Even the books on your e-reader aren't really yours. They're licensed to you. Cancel the account and they disappear. Most people are spending more than ever on things they will never actually own. Here's what changed. A generation ago, you bought a song. You owned it. Forever. Today, you stream it. Forever. As long as you keep paying. A generation ago, you bought a car. Now, you lease it, or finance it for 7 years. By the time it's paid off, the cycle has already restarted. The shift looks small, but it changes everything about what having something means. And here's where it gets interesting. When you own something, the payment ends. When you access something, the payment never ends. That single difference is the most profitable business model ever invented. Companies stopped wanting customers. They started wanting subscribers. Because subscribers don't pay once, they pay forever. Watch how quietly it happened. Software used to come in a box. Now it lives on a server you'll never see. Films used to sit on a shelf. Now they vanish from your library when a licensing deal expires. Cars are starting to charge monthly fees for features that already exist in the vehicle. Heated seats, faster acceleration, even better headlights. You bought the car. You did not buy the right to fully use it. And it's not just products. Younger generations rent longer, buy later, if at all. Lease cars instead of owning, stream instead of collecting, subscribe instead of purchasing. The shift isn't a lifestyle preference. It's the natural result of a system where ownership keeps getting more expensive and access keeps getting easier. So people choose access, over and over, until one day they realize nothing in their digital or physical life actually belongs to them. There's a strange quiet to it. No one took anything away. No law changed. No announcement was made. Ownership just slowly stopped being the default, and almost no one noticed when it happened. The wealthy noticed. Quietly they buy. Property, equity, land, businesses, things that produce income instead of things that demand monthly payments. Everyone else rents the experience of those same things, streaming the music, leasing the car, subscribing to the software, renting the apartment. Two economies now exist in parallel, one built on owning, one built on paying to access what others own, and the gap between them widens with every monthly charge. You can pay for something every month for years and still never own it. That used to sound strange. Now it's just how modern life works.